Welcome back to yours truly channel. As you guys read down below from today's title, and also as you've seen in that thumbnail, today I will be unboxing my iPad 10th generation. So get into it. Ooh. Here she go, y'all. This is her. Like, I'm just so scared and nervous to open it. Like, this is really real. I have a pink iPad. Okay, let me go ahead, put that up, put her to the side. We all know what comes inside the box. It is the design by Apple in California. We already know what comes in this. I don't have to tell you. Y'all should know by the videos you've been watching. It comes with instructions. So you get your USB-C type charger. I already have a braided charger like this, so I will not be using this one because I already have the charger in the box. But this one already comes with, and y'all, what we really here for? The unbox my baby. Oh, she's so. Okay, I'm trying not to be funny for y'all. So here we go. I already got my fingerprints, but this is her. This is she. Like, oh my god. Yes, period. Okay, y'all, this is the case. Let me get the stuff out. Get that out, get that out. Y'all already know the pool. Okay. I want to sit her in there, so let's sit her in there, see if she fits. I hope she fits. Okay. Okay, yeah. She fitting in there, y'all, and then rip the back off. Ooh, see how she look in the case? Like, yes. That case is cute. Alrighty. Let's turn it on. On my iPad, girl, on my eye. It says hello. Then we're gonna swipe up. Continue. Hit English. United States. Do default. Sure do a quick start. Let me set it up with my phone and I'll be right back, y'all.
Shine through the clear night.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine.
I think I like the man one.
The colors of the sky.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night. The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear
The
night.
colors of the sky fade with the setting sun as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Yes. Set up my Apple Pencil with me. Here we go, y'all. And what it say? Designed by Apple in California. Okay. Let's see what comes with it. Okay. You got an extra tip and the 2 adapters to connect your Apple Pencil with. Okay. Then it's the little instructions on it. You know, more paperwork that we don't care about. And then here's the pencil, y'all. It's the first generation that's compatible with the iPad 10th generation. So, period, bookies. Let's get the little adapter piece right here to connect the pencil. Okay. So I already have a USB-C charger piece, so I will not be using the one that's in my that came with the tablet. I'm not going to use that one. So when you take the adapter off, you're gonna connect it to this. I don't know where I put my pencil at. Hold up, y'all. Now you're gonna get your Apple Pencil, because I'm gonna show y'all how to connect it to your iPad, the first gen. Get your Apple Pencil. Take the top off. Put it in here. You want to put your other piece on the bottom. And look where it says, unlock iPad to use an accessory. It says, welcome to Apple Pencil. It says your Apple Pencil unlocks a whole new iPad OS experience, letting you annotate, draw, mark up, and edit in the apps you use every day. I can create a quick notes. It's telling me swipe my Apple Pencil from the bottom right corner of my iPad to create a quick note. I can scribble. You can write in any text field. Your words automatically transform into typed text. Okay. Easily capture screenshots. Swipe your Apple Pencil from the bottom left corner of my iPad. Take a screenshot. Okay. So we're gonna hit continue. But it's telling me to try scribble. Y'all can see. Use your pencil to handwrite any text area to convert it into type. Give scribble a try by handwriting some text into the box below. Telling you to scratch out a word to delete. Okay. Select. Draw a line over a word or circle to select. Okay, that's fine. Insert. Try inserting a word to this sentence. How you do that? Okay. Okay. And then that is that. Okay. Well, y'all, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I know it was kind of all over the place, but it's okay. I'm gonna get it right in my next unboxing, you know. But if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell where you can be notified when I upload. And I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Peace, and your girl is out.